So one of the things we did while in Shanghai was take a day trip to Suzhou. So in Suzhou, there's about maybe 10 gardens there, and there's some museums. It's just a really fascinating district. You can spend more than one day there easily, especially if you like gardens of that style. So the place we went to was called the Humble Administrator's Garden. And it's one of the most famous and beautiful examples of classical Chinese gardening. And it has a unique design philosophy. So they were mostly designed by intellectuals and scholars, these retired or disillusioned officials. And they were meant to be a microcosm of nature, embodying physical and poetic ideas. So that's why when you look at the gardens, you see how the design involves intricate uses of rocks, and these rocks are supposed to represent mountains. And there's usually like a little pond or stream in there, and that use of water is to represent lakes and rivers. And what's really cool is that most of these gardens predate the colonization of the United States. That's how old they are. So in order to get there, you have to take a high-speed rail if you're staying in the Pudong area or the Bund area of Shanghai. And this allows you to, get your feet wet on how to get on a high-speed rail and go somewhere. So that's a good learning experience. Well, this whole thing, it was like cultural immersion. And it was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful scenery. It was a leisurely stroll. And while you're there in Suzhou, checking out all these gardens and museums, there's plenty of places to eat, plenty of coffee shops to sit down and take it easy and absorb the beauty of all these gardens that you're seeing. And it's good to. Well, I got a couple books on what the Suzhou gardens are all about. And of course, at the end of visiting Suzhou, headed off back down to Shanghai, went to the Bund and had dinner, in the East Nanjing Road area. And that's how I especially like ending my day in Shanghai. So hope you guys get a chance to visit and enjoy this place.
有一个是什么呢？电视影剧里面叫周文斌，但周文斌是一个假冒的，事实上历史上没有这个周文斌的。其实 是真正的食材。
等一下啊，把头发往那弄弄。
徐真卿他死的比较早，30多岁就死了。
慢慢看我，看我，1、2、
3。他们就是创造了一个中文拼号，就是中文字，就是意思是另外一个我们到底
明珠。
来，我们看啊，这个位置呢是我们这个中里面的一个中心啊，这个位置是我们中心啊。
It's video. Hello.
呀，你们可以到亭子上去找个地方坐一下啊，我来讲。
好选，来，我领了，我领了。
因为你下面
这边。
回过头来也行，回过来1、2、3耶。别动，别动太了，别卡死。Sorry.
去录一下。
Got him. Photobomb. Okay. Hello. Hello. That's the castle, huh? All these old ladies fit into that boat and came out. It's amazing. It's in the fake boat. We'll start from the right. Yeah, that's all it is a fake boat. No big deal. Just a chair. Okay, another one of these castle caves. Might as well. There's a pagoda up there. Okay. You go that way. Yeah, that's just a shortcut.
I want to go there.